Hello everyone, this is Kalyan Kumar and welcome to Product Review, where I unbox and review a variety of products. Well, actually, the ones that I want to buy. The ones I want to buy and I can afford. Now, Apple takes the headphone jack out of the iPhone, and what happens? People don't stop buying iPhones. They just start buying wireless earphones or headphones instead. For those who really care about the sound quality, the Apple's AirPods, first generation especially, won't cut it. But the Bose SoundSport wireless just might. Though there are several options to choose from, I find the Bose earphones especially very comfortable and have been using their products for over a decade. And for rupees 9,280, they are the best you can get. In the true sense, Bose SoundSport wireless is not truly wireless. A truly wireless pair of earbuds are the ones which are untethered by a cable. Bose SoundSport wireless earphones has a neckband cable which also houses the remote functions of the device. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review the Bose SoundSport wireless earphone. But before I do that, let me state this in the interest of full disclosure that I bought this product with my own funds and that it is not a review product. Although opinions you're about to hear are my own, no one is paying for this review and no one is reviewing this video before it is uploaded. Secondly, if you wish to look at a specific aspect of the product, then I have put timeline markers in the description below. If you're watching this on a computer, then directly click the timestamp and on a mobile device, drag the playhead to the approximate timestamp. The front of the box shows the device and the branding. The back shows some details about the device, like dynamic wireless sound, stable, comfortable ear tips, etc. Let's peel off the plastic. Push the black box out of the cover. Typical Bose packing. On opening the box, we see a description of the Bose Connect app. Now the device is revealed. Taking it out. The earpieces seem pretty big, but they are actually lightweight. There is a controller that lets you play, pause, skip songs forward and backward, certain basic functions. Then there is a carrying case which is quite small and handy. And then you get two pairs of ear tips, small and large, and a micro USB 2.0 charging cable. Now the Bose SoundSport wireless earphones have a savvy design. The remote barely weighs anything, leaving nothing to drag the cable down, and they are comfortable to wear. The soft silicone rubber hooks trace the basic lines of the ear, making the fit secure enough for running or going out to the gym, which is the very reason why I prefer the Bose earphones. Even if you don't care much about the sports side, the hooks are important because while the remote is small, the Bose SoundSport wireless earpieces are quite large. It's likely that this is where the batteries and the DAC live, needed in wireless pair. The Bose SoundSport have a comfortable earbud up design. They don't fully enter the ear canal, removing the pain that some listeners often experience, including myself, with especially the in-ear headphones. Also, there is the StayHear Plus tips which are a bit more comfortable and open design. The Bose SoundSport wireless have a sleek, sporty aesthetic. They come in 3 colors to match your tastes and look premium and well designed. You get them in citron or yellow, aqua or light blue, and black. As a result of not having a big battery pack as part of the rigid neckband, the battery life is a modest 6 hours, but that should be more than enough for an average workout or commute. In fact, in my first charging, I got around 7 hours and 15 minutes. Importantly, the Bose SoundSport wireless are sweat resistant and certified to IP4, meaning they can't be submerged but will handle sweat and splashes better than normal earphones. The Bose SoundSport uses Bluetooth 4.0 instead of 5.0, but still works well with videos both from YouTube and videos playing within the native app of the mobile device. The Bose SoundSport wireless support the NFC and multi-device pairing, which is pretty good. This means you can easily pair them to an NFC-enabled device or pair them to both your work PC and phone to easily listen to audio from both devices. So they can be paired with more than one device at a time, but you will only get the audio from one device. While these headphones have fairly high latency on both Android and PC, their iOS latency is quite low, which is pretty good. It's worth noting that some apps seem to compensate for this, so your mileage may vary with actually daily use on an Android device. The bass accuracy of the Bose SoundSport wireless is excellent. These headphones can produce very deep thumps and rumbles. The entire bass range is virtually flat, resulting in a very well balanced bass with a tiny amount of kick and punch. These earphones are dynamic and make music sound very lively. They're fun all around, and while you can get greater tonal fidelity in the bass from a non-wireless pair at the same price, the SoundSport wireless don't come off badly in comparison. To play or pause a song, use the multifunctional button at the center. For decreasing or increasing volume, use the plus and minus buttons. To skip a song, double press the center button. And to go back to the previous song, press the center button thrice. You can receive or reject calls by pressing the center button once or twice respectively. The Bose SoundSport wireless are very good headphones for sports use. They are wireless and compact enough to carry around wherever you go. They have a stable and a semi-open fit that allows runners to monitor their surroundings well. If you want comfort of wearing without the headache of having your earbuds fall off, then go for the SoundSport wireless earphones or the big daddy of them all, which is the Bose Quiet Comfort 30. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you in understanding the wireless earphone better before you invest on it. If you have any queries or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up button. Watch the other videos of this channel, and if you find them interesting and useful, consider subscribing. This is Kalyan Kumar signing off. Have a great and wonderful day. Stay inside, keep physical distancing, wear a mask, Goodbye and thank you for watching this.